Captain's log. Katie informed me that we had something falling apart in our RV.
The bummer is they didn't put a backer in the middle.
But it's pretty exciting setting up some painting today. I'm actually nervous a little bit.
I will call this painting completely done. It's the first morning at this spot. At the last spot we had a roadrunner friend, and I was very sad to leave. However, this morning as Brian and I are just quietly sitting enjoying our morning, we hear a familiar thud on the roof. I'm gonna go outside and see if we have another roadrunner guide for this area. So even though we're in a desert, it is still hoodie season. Can't see. Was there anyone up there?
Captain's log.
Everything is broken.
Everything is breaking. Yesterday when we got here to Gila Bend, Katie informed me that we had something falling apart in our RV.
So you told me to just tell you what's wrong.
Okay. Am I gonna regret this?
I mean, it just needs to be fixed.
Today it's time to fix that. So our lovely food cabinet, aka the pantry, seems to have a small shelf coming apart. It's kind of disappointing, once again, to find out how they built this thing.
You really can't be surprised by now, though. Seriously.
They put the shelves in and they mounted them from the back side with just staples. So today we're going to fix that, glue that, reinforce it the best we can.
Not only is the bottom shelf pulled away from the staples, but it looks like each consecutive one, as it's going up towards the top, is also doing that. So we're going to squirt some glue. We're going to run a screw.
We're going to do what we do.
We're going to do what we do. The bummer is they didn't put a backer in the middle. If they would have done that, they could have just run a screw this way and it would have been absolutely fine. But no.
Brian working in tiny spaces. Part 82. You okay?
Boy, I left my lid on. Gotta have your safety lid involved.
Give me a thumbs up.
Oh, dear. Where are your safety at?
How long does the food take to cure? Like 2 days?
Completely? 24 hours.
Oh, we'll just hang out with all of our food. Naked and exposed.
Alright, we got our fix done. Should be strong enough for now. Well, we had some good winds last night. So much so that it actually spun our internet. What?
I guess so. You said today was the height of the wind? Right now was the height of the wind?
Yeah.
I think we're walking with it because I feel absolutely no wind.
Yeah,
it's on our backside. This is a very flat area that we're staying in, which is optimal for boondocking. There are 8,000 spots that you can pick from.
Yeah, I'm really surprised this doesn't have more people.
Maybe it's that sign that deters people.
Maybe. The border's still 100 miles away. But, I mean, it's here for a reason, I guess.
Yeah.
It's a good area.
Yeah.
You know, it's only an hour from Phoenix.
There's a ton of really cool rocks here.
Mm-hmm.
Stunning, beautiful sunrises and sunsets. But the mountain ranges are very much on the horizon, which means there's no real hiking with elevation change. Our hike/walk today is literally pointing at a cactus and walking to it. So, how goes the setup?
Well, I'll tell you this. It's been kind of boring around here lately. Couple walks, waiting for the winds to die down. We had some crazy winds for a while, but it's pretty exciting setting up some painting today and getting to actually paint. I'm excited. I'm actually nervous a little bit.
Because it's been 5 years.
It's been a while. Inside, I'm also so angry about the background color that I would like to just finish this whole painting today.
We're matching shirts again today. Just realized that.
That's because I designed this shirt.
Yeah, it's a good design. I cut it up in punk rock fashion. I love it. So, I just want to match my bestie today, apparently, for paint day.
I'm trying to coax her outside because it's warm. And I don't want to be the only one sunburnt.
Yeah, I'll see if I can figure something out. Because I need to finish that painting for your mom. So.
Shh.
I told her that she'll have a better time framing this one than the last one, though. So, because it's a standard size.
What's the other one that she took?
The one I did a watercolor of our dogs.
Oh, yeah.
And she's like, it's so hard to find a frame for this. And I'm like, I'm sorry. Like, I'll make it a standard size next time. Like,
Yeah. Well, all right.
let's get this going.
Let's get it going.
Let's get those fumes. Inhale them deep. Let's get weird.
I think she's high on paint fumes already. Somebody send help.
I see that you have some beautiful inspiration being right by the poop hole.
It happens. You just kind of go with the flow.
Alright, I have snacked, I have hydrated, I have paint all over my hands, but I will call this painting completely done. And because it is oils, I will let it dry now for about, I don't know, a month to 3 months, because I used a palette knife and there are some thick spots on it. So it's going to take quite a bit of time to cure. That means drying all the way through, not just dry to the touch on top. And then I can varnish it and send it off to its new owner.
Can't win them all.
No.
Trying to do some different stuff that I've always wanted to try and do, but have always been kind of too chicken. I've never played with a palette knife very much.
Ah.
I wanted to learn a little control, bit of balance. It's a bit chaotic, but it's dog shit. I'm okay with that. You can't win every one of them. Freaking awesome, man.
It's done.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
But yeah, since it's a painting of you, I did palette knife work a lot more than I would have. I did it on like the plants and even the masts for all the sailboats and the water. So I did a lot of alla prima that I normally would not have done. So I pushed myself quite a bit.
Good.
Yeah. You like it though?
I like it.
Cool. I like it too. I think your mom's gonna like it.
I just put my disaster in the sun to even have a chance to start like curing.
Yeah.
I don't like what I painted. It being oil paint, like I could get back into it and sculpt it a little bit more with a brush where the contact is with the pine cone.
Yeah.
And it might kind of bring back kind of the original idea. Well, I feel like painting outside in the wind sucks and is not conducive to painting properly. So we're going to have to figure out something else. We're going to have to figure out a better way to be able to focus and paint. You got paint on your hands?
I did so good until the palette knife came out, and then all bets were off.
Sometimes when you're living in an RV, you have days like today where you're bored out of your mind. The great thing is you get to change it up by moving. So we're going to go ahead and pack it up and keep moving east.
I heard that there's a lake where we're going. Might be a mud puddle, but it sounds exciting. I'm just hoping for enough of water to be there to take some really awesome sunrise or sunset photos with that reflection. That's all I want. And they said there's a lot of birds. It's a bird sanctuary.
Yeah, bird sanctuary.
Which is really cool.
That could be really cool. Lots of bird poop on our truck and solar panels.
Hell yeah. We're not the only snowbirds making a mess.
I don't know about you guys, but about an hour and a half worth of driving means it's time for a break. Well, why not stop and do some grocery shopping, walk around in Walmart for a minute. And then it's off to more errands.
We need to pay for our registration and get our magic sticker for yet another year.
Another year.
And we don't know if we need a smog check or not. So we're gonna just kind of go into the transportation people and see if they'll help us out, give us a sticker for some money.
I'm pretty sure we don't. Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Yeah, we're used to California rules and these are Arizona rules, so we'll figure it out as we go on the road. Well, it was a successful mission. We went to the Department of Transportation, whatever it's called, basically the DMV for Arizona. Shit, we were in there for what, 5 minutes?
10 minutes? Tops.
10 minutes tops. We just went straight in, signed in at the kiosk. I sat down. Brian sat down next to me, and as soon as he got comfortable, they called his name. It wasn't DMV Express. Being from California and having to take an entire day off of work, vacation day, to go to the DMV was excruciating and difficult to do. So, thanks Arizona, we really appreciate that.
Thanks, Arizona.
The unfortunate side is that our registration does have to be mailed. So we just have a temporary piece of paper thing and we'll just have to figure out that later. That is one thing checked off of our list. We also went to 2 different grocery spots and now we're heading to get some water and to the puddle. Will it be a puddle? Will it be a lake?
Will it be mud?
Will it be mud? We don't know. We don't know.
I'm excited to find out.
We have arrived at the Twin Lakes, and luckily there is water in the lakes and a bunch of ducks. There's a giant road around the whole thing, and we're just gonna park on that because you can do that for 3 days. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna check out some ducks.
You might be asking yourself, why would you come all the way out to Wilcox?
We don't know.
That is the truth.
I didn't see any freaking cactus around, but I got so many freaking stickers in my toe, man. That sucks.
Oh, man.
Oh, there's so many. I thought it was just dry grass.
I think I remember you kicking something in grease too, didn't you?
What did I? Oh, the freaking sea urchin. I stepped on 2 of them. And they secrete a venom, and it was stuck in my foot for like 6 months. Okay, what are we doing? Okay, I'm gonna go this way. I know this is dangerous, but... Oh, look at him, bee.
What are they, cranes or swans?
Don't worry, we'll get some bird facts whether you want them or not. They make cool sounds. I was worried they were going to be kind of annoying, but they're really pretty sounding.